Every week, financial institutions ask us the same thing. How can we keep up with changing regulations, relentless complexity, and rising risks? That's why Sopra Steria experts in anti-financial crime and Agents Inc., pioneers in autonomous AI agents, have joined forces. Together, we're bringing next-level intelligence to financial crime prevention, replacing tedious manual work with smart, scalable automation. The Agents Inc. enterprise platform allows for massive AI agent collaboration. Let's see how it works. You start by creating a workspace where you and your colleagues collaborate with different AI agents. First up, our regulatory monitoring agent. Regulatory change is constant. Our regulatory monitoring agent never blinks. It scans legal databases, central banks, financial watchdogs, and government portals around the world, 24/7. When something changes, it knows, and it acts. It alerts your teams immediately and goes one step further. The agent maps changes to your internal policies, flags compliance gaps, and suggests what to do next. No guesswork, no delay. You get audit-proof reports and dashboards, by topic, by country, and at any frequency. Need to assess a client's risks. That's where our next agent, the company monitoring AI agent, comes in. This agent delivers a full dossier. Adverse media, management changes, ownership structures, mergers, acquisitions, third-party risks, financials, and it keeps watching. When something changes, it tells you first. It generates executive reports and sends them straight to your inbox, keeping your team informed without lifting a finger. And for high-risk individuals, you need our KYC agent. This AI agent performs real-time due diligence, scanning sanctions lists, social media, and media reports for red flags. If your client becomes politically exposed or involved in controversy, the agent raises the flag instantly and updates their risk profile for you. No more waiting years to reassess a customer's risk. And this was just a glimpse into the powerful world of our AI agents. They're not chatbots. They're autonomous systems that think, collaborate, and execute real tasks across your entire anti-financial crime operation. Fully tailored to your needs, they work with your data, adapt to your processes, and scale globally. With Sopra Steria and Agents Inc., you don't just monitor financial crime risks, you stay ahead of them. Contact us today at soprasteria.de and Agents Inc.